Today we will start with our next chapter, which is determinants. So let's see, what do you mean by the determinant of a matrix? To every square matrix A, we associate a number called its determinant, and it is denoted by this symbol. Determinant of a matrix helps us to determine whether a square matrix A is invertible or not. That is, determinant determines whether the inverse of a square matrix exists or it does not exist. So, let's see how we define the determinant of a square matrix. If A is a square matrix of the order 1 by 1, then A will be of the form this. You can see, as the order of the matrix is 1 by 1, so it will have one row and one column. So the matrix consists of only one element, that is A11. In this case, determinant of the matrix A is defined as, determinant of A will be equal to the element of the matrix. For example, if I have a matrix A minus 3, you can see order of the matrix is 1 by 1. So in this case, determinant of the matrix A will be the element present in the matrix, that is minus 3. Note that here this sign should not be confused with the absolute value. In context of matrices, this symbol means we are talking about the determinant of the matrix. Now we will discuss how to find the determinant of a square matrix of order 2 by 2. If A is a square matrix of order 2 by 2, then A will be of this form: A11, A12, A21, A22. The matrix will have 2 rows and 2 columns. In this case, determinant is defined as, the product of these two elements, that is A11 into A22, minus the product of these two elements, that is A21 into A12. For example, if I have a matrix A with elements 3, minus 1, 2, 4. It is a 2 by 2 order matrix. So if I have to find out the determinant of this matrix, determinant is denoted by this symbol. So in this case, by definition, it will be equal to, product of these two elements, that is 3 into 4, minus, from this we have to subtract the product of these two elements, that is 2 into negative of 1. So that will give you 12 minus negative of 2, which is equal to 12 plus 2, that is 14. So determinant of this matrix A is 14. Now we will discuss how to find the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by 3. So here we have a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Order is 3 by 3, so that means the matrix will have 3 rows and 3 columns. So let's see how to find the determinant in this case. First, we will decide that along which row or column we want to expand this determinant. There are 3 rows and 3 columns in this matrix. So I can expand this determinant along any row or any column. Suppose I decide to expand this determinant along the first row, that is this row. Now what I have to do? Take the first element A11 of the first row. Here I is 1 and j is 1. Compute I plus j, which is 1 plus 1, 2. If I plus j is even, take here positive sign. Next, delete the row and the column in which this element lies. So here I delete the first row and the first column. After deleting the row and the column, I am left with this square matrix. So I have to multiply this number with the determinant of this submatrix. So the determinant of this submatrix is given by this. And note here I have put the round brackets because here it is a submatrix, and here I have to compute the determinant of this submatrix, so I have used this symbol. Next, move on to the second element, which is A12. Now here I is 1 and j is 2. Compute I plus j, which is 1 plus 2, that is 3, and 3 is odd, so take here negative sign. Now again delete the row and the column in which this element lies. So A12 lies in the first row, so I delete the first row, and A12 lies in the second column, so I delete the second row. After making the deletions, I am left with these elements. So I have to compute the determinant of this submatrix. So that will be A21, A23, A31, A33. Now take the third element of the first row, which is A13. So I write here A13. Now here this is I, this is j. So I plus j, that is 1 plus 3 will give you 4, which is even. So take here plus sign. And now delete the row and the column in which this element lies. So I delete the first row and I delete the third column. So I am left with this submatrix. So its determinant will be A21, A22, A31 and A32. So determinant A will be given by A11. Now this is a determinant of order 2 by 2, and you know how to compute this. A22 into A33 minus product of these two. So A32 into A23. Next we have minus A12. Again it is a 2 by 2 determinant. So it will be equal to A21 into A33 minus product of these two. A31 into A23. And last we have A13. This is A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. When you will simplify this, you will get the value of the determinant of the matrix A.